Subscribe to Learnful Bunny and learn something new every day. Nice to meet you. I'm Learnful Bunny. Lunar New Year, a special celebration. Lunar New Year is a traditional holiday in Chinese culture. It is usually celebrated between the 1st and 15th day of the lunar calendar. Hold on, before we introduce it, have you ever wondered why the date of the Lunar New Year is different every year? Well, that's because it follows a lunar calendar, which is different from the regular calendar we use. During the Lunar New Year, people celebrate by reuniting with family, visiting relatives and friends, and watching fireworks. These activities symbolize togetherness, blessings, good luck, and new beginnings. Now, let's take a look at some important activities during Lunar New Year. Preparation before Lunar New Year. The festivities actually start before the New Year arrives. A few days before Lunar New Year, there's a bustling flower market where people can buy festive flowers, decorations, and various items. It's a joyous atmosphere, and people love buying flowers because each type symbolizes something special. For example, peach blossoms symbolize love and new beginnings, narcissus represents good fortune, and orchids symbolize growth and prosperity. On the 28th day of the 12th lunar month, families engage in a big cleaning session known as spring cleaning. They tidy their homes, sweep away dust, mop the floors, and declutter. This is done to welcome the new year with a clean and organized home, symbolizing the removal of negativity and starting fresh for the coming year. New Year's Eve. The night before New Year's Day is called New Year's Eve, and it's a very special night. Families gather together for a cozy time, and the house becomes lively. Parents prepare a sumptuous New Year's Eve dinner with traditional dishes that carry different meanings. But wait, there's more. There is a tradition called stay up late. People light up their homes, traditionally with candles, but now with bright lights. Even kids stay up late, hoping for good weather and a smooth year ahead. Traditionally, the younger generation stays up late to accompany their elders, symbolizing blessings and longevity for their parents. So, the Lunar New Year is not just about celebrating the arrival of a new year, it's also about family, traditions, and wishing for happiness and prosperity. Finally, it's the first day of the new year. First, in the morning, we put on new clothes because new clothes mean a new year, making us look prettier and more spirited. Then, kids get red envelopes from the elders. Red envelopes are small red bags with money inside, symbolizing blessings and good luck. But wait. According to some customs, it's not time to open the red envelopes yet. For breakfast, we have special foods like rice cakes and dumplings, symbolizing reunion and good fortune. During the day, families visit relatives and friends together, giving New Year blessings. We bring gifts when visiting, like fruits and candies, to show our sincerity and blessings. At night, families enjoy a hearty dinner and spend a warm evening together. During the Lunar New Year, we often see a very interesting performance called the Dragon and Lion Dance. First, let's learn about the Dragon Dance. It's a long dragon-shaped toy, usually operated by many people together. One person controls the dragon's head, while others control the body. They move the dragon to the rhythm of music, rolling and jumping, very interesting. As for the lion dance, it's a lion model operated by two people. One person plays the lion's head, and the other plays the body. They jump and turn together, imitating the lion's movements, very lively and fun. These performances usually take place on the streets, squares, or in communities during Lunar New Year. People gather to watch because the dragon and lion dance have good meanings, representing good luck, health, and wealth for the new year. Besides watching, some places also have interactive activities. For example, people can touch the dragon's whiskers or the lion's tail, believed to bring good luck and happiness. Traditionally, the Lunar New Year is celebrated until the 15th day, another festival called Yuanshao Festival. During this time, people continue to visit relatives and friends, leaving blessings for the coming year. Each day during this period has a special meaning. For example, the third day is called a Chikou, which can also be called a red mouth day, traditionally believed to be prone to arguments, so people avoid visiting each other. However, I think it's just a day for everyone to rest after New Year's Eve, the first and second days. What do you think? And the seventh day is Ren Ri, or Human Day, the day humans were born, so it's everyone's birthday. Remember your red envelope? Here are two opinions. Some believe that on the seventh day, Ren Ri, you can open the red envelope, while others think you should wait until after the Yuanshao festival, after all the celebrations, to open it. Which do you like? Finally, let's talk about the legend of NIAN. Long, long ago, there was a monster called NIAN. It looked like a lion with scary horns and sharp teeth. NIAN monster liked to cause trouble during the Lunar New Year, scaring people so they wouldn't leave their homes. One day, a wise old man came up with a solution. He told the villagers, NIAN is scared of the color red and loud noises. We can decorate the village with red things and set off firecrackers to chase NIAN away. So, the villagers started decorating their houses with red banners, red lanterns, and red decorations. They also set off firecrackers and drums, making loud sounds. When NIAN heard these noises and saw the red things, it got scared and ran away. Since then, every Lunar New Year, people hang red lanterns, put up red decorations, and set off firecrackers to celebrate the holiday. This helps us have a safe and happy Lunar New Year. It's a bit scary, isn't it? But actually, according to research, this story comes from a novel in China over 100 years ago, and it's not part of traditional culture. Anyway, as the story spread, everyone started to like it. Finally, let's teach everyone some congratulatory words.
恭喜發財
This means, may you have a prosperous new year.
龍馬精神
This means, stay strong and healthy.
心想事成
This means, may all your wishes come true. Alright, I'm going back to enjoy a reunion dinner. Goodbye.
恭喜發財
Subscribe to Learnful Bunny and learn something new every day. See you next time.